The stomach massage follows the long stretch series. We'll add 2 springs for a total of 4 springs, bring the pad forward to the very front edge of the carriage, and then place your hands on the shoulder blocks, feet on the foot bar, and lower the hips as far forward as you can, lifting your pelvis and spine in a lifted C curve. Press out, lower, lift and come in, press, lower, lift and come in from the Powerhouse, stretching out, lowering the heels, lifting and keeping the heels high as you return in. The knee is tracking straight over the center of your foot, elbows are spread wide to open the back, and the C curve is as lifted as possible so that the backbones lift away from each other for a total of 8 to 10 repetitions. Then take off one of the center springs, bring the hands on the shoulder blocks, roll the shoulders back, and again press, lower, lift and come in, press, lower, lift, and draw the carriage in so that you're in control of the springs. They're not bringing you home. We resist the springs on the way home. We press, lower, lift, and come in for, again, a total of 8 to 10 repetitions in the open chest position. From here, we'll take off another center spring, arms lift up, and we press out and come in without changing the heels. So now the heels stay in place, and we go out and lift back in, reaching. Press out and reach, reach, reach as far as you can, up and forward. Reach, reach, reach. And then twisting, adding the twist for intermediate to advanced level, wringing out the lungs, keeping the hand in front right where it is so it's not flinging or flanging. We twist away from it and wring out the entire body, looking over the back shoulder for each repetition for a total of 3 sets. After 3 to 5 sets, we finish and we can either be complete here or add on an exercise for an imbalance in the legs by taking one leg under the bar, lowering and lifting the heel of the opposite leg and bending back in, just like at the beginning. Elbows are spread wide, back is in a lifted letter C. We lower and lift and come in. Again, 5 to 8 times, 3 times, whatever the body needs to balance out any imbalance. And we can feel this if one leg feels much weaker than the other or doesn't work when both feet are on the bar. The other leg does all the work instead. This is just a nice variation. You can see more below.